Hey guys, this is how to create a Wix landing page for lead generation. So I'm going to be discussing a step-by-step guide on checklist on how to create your landing page based on the Wix blog official website. So guys, if you still don't know, Wix is a popular website builder that allows users to create a professional quality websites without needing advanced technical skills. So guys, just simply follow along and you'll be able to create a landing page. So for the first one is set the goals for your landing page, which will involve extensive research on what it's supposed to achieve and how lead gen, email collection, and so on what it's supposed to achieve. And now just simply choose which landing page builder you plan to use and then select a landing page template, and based on the layout that you need for your page, give your landing page a name. And after that, just add your unique content, including well-written copy, call to actions, and think about your headline, and also consider including the social proof that you have to prove the points that you're trying to make. And the step number 5 will be including striking image and other type of media to engage users. And number 6, just choose a relevant domain name which you can attract multiple potential clients. And now the number 7 will be make sure all your links, forms, and CTAs are working. And next up is you have to make sure you have a complete meta description and SEO title. And lastly, you'll be able to review and publish your landing page. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.